Jet 100 is a completely new platform, optimized for 100 seat segments. This aircraft is in the long-range configuration. This layout allows around 28 passengers, though distances up to 4,350 kilometers. Sukhoi have taken the new approach to the design of this aircraft, being able to effectively combine and maximise passenger comfort, operations flexibility and advanced technologies. Dimensions of the passenger cabin allow for a 5-abreast seating configuration. Lower width of up to 58 centimetres seats and 46.5 centimetres widths can be installed. Cabin height of 2.12 metres provide increased headroom for passengers, but not at the expense of the overhead lift, which can be easily swallowed into the standard roll or bag.
Nomás para que aterricen para tomar la foto aquí.
This year, 2010, the first aircraft will be delivered to the launch customers, AIRBOYD, Arabia.
No, ¿verdad?
No. Y me haría, yo no me sentiría bien por eso.
The operator of the Jet 100 will benefit from advanced technology and excellent economy.
Me está ayudando. Por eso estás entusiasmado.
No te la creo.
Sí, 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 mi mamá me toma, mira, dile que le vas a pagar, yo te doy algo para que le dejes. Le da el minimum wage o eso me va a dar. Más de lo que me pagan en mi semanal de la revista.
Tremenda maniobra. Fuel economy, although the fuel costs have reduced somewhat only a year and a bit ago, no doubt
Le voy a souvenir.
Operating efficiency.
Instalación de pasajeros.
Estará ahí metido. Ecological requirements.
¿Pero por qué?
Designed to exceed the existing ICAO requirements regarding noise and emissions.
Porque la cinta te la salva.
Further requirements for those particular aspects. All new electronic fly-by-wire control system adds to the safety of the aircraft, reduces the pilot's workload. Market research estimates that the 16 to 120 seat breathable jet market accounts for some 5,500 aircraft required in the next 20 odd years. Sukhoi believe that the Superjet 100 will take around about 15% of the world market, equating to around about 800 aircraft. These 800 aircraft, round about 1/4 are expected to serve on the domestic and the Federation of Independent States market, CIS. The remaining 3/4 expected to be acquired by international airlines.
Ya no puede estar mejor para ti.